Ideally, a construction issue is resolved soon after it is found, but many issues often remain open for multiple weeks and months and require collaboration and tracking over time by various contributors and stakeholders. For issues that have a lifespan, they are usually covered in meetings, and a latest comment or update is usually asked for that informs stakeholders of where the issue is. For example, awaiting new design for a detected clash between two services. In addition to this, managers usually want to keep a record of every update to keep a history and refer back if needed. When teams use Excel to track issues, this is the part where they experience pain, needing to maintain a multi-line history of date-stamped updates in a single cell of Excel. The result is a lot of tedious formatting and an ungainly spreadsheet as the weeks go on. On the back of customer feedback, we built a tool that addresses this problem, called the status statement. It's a simple solution that allows teams to keep everyone up to date on where every issue is at during its life cycle by giving a regular date-stamped statement as an update. On every issue, Shape will display the latest status statement up the top near the title. A user can click through to view all previous statements in a chronologically ordered list. Each status statement consists of three things: who wrote the statement, the written description, and the date it applied from. A status statement is applicable until it is superseded by the next one. As an example, the common status awaiting design applies from when the design was requested until the design is provided, where the status would be something like purchase order to be placed. We will now run through an example to show how the status statement feature can be used during the life cycle of an issue. Here is a common construction issue where the team have discovered a clash in design of the positions of a camera and a public address speaker in the ticket hall of a railway station upgrade. The issue has been raised by the team responsible for the PA speaker installation and have stated it will delay their planned start date if the issue isn't resolved. As such, this item has been classed as a potential delay to work. Near the top, we see that there is no status statement yet given for this issue, but we can click to add one. The first update reflects that the main contractor has been notified of the issue and that a technical query has been raised to the designer. Once submitted, we see that the statement is entered into the list, but also becomes by default the latest statement. Note that when a user exports a PDF list of issues, only the latest status statement will appear. Fast forward a few days and the TQ has been answered, although a new design has not been developed yet. On submitting the new status, see how this becomes the latest statement over on the main page of the issue, but we are still able to see the superseded one in the right pane. In this way, we can use the status statement list as a way of tracking an issue's evolution over time. Just over a week passes, and no design has been submitted. The team records that they are still awaiting design. The planned start date elapsed for the install of a PA speaker, and no design was provided, so the team make the update that the works have been delayed by the issue. On the 7th of November, the new design is received, and the team note that a review is to be undertaken by the construction engineer. Finally, the new location is set out on site so that the team are able to install in the correct location. This is the indication that the issue is now solved. The team can go back into the issue and close it out, and are prompted to assess whether works were delayed by the issue. In this case, they answer yes, and are prompted to review the work affected by the issue, and to enter the start and finish dates of the delay. To conclude, teams can use the status statement feature as a way to keep an issue up to date through its life cycle, without the traditional pain experienced in a spreadsheet.